Majestic mountains, endless valleys, and a land brimming with beauty. This is Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan's hidden gem. But beneath these stunning views lies a question that sparks curiosity, debate, and controversy. Is Gilgit-Baltistan a free state? Let's take a step back in time. Gilgit-Baltistan, once known as the Northern Areas, holds a unique place in the history of South Asia. This region has witnessed empires rise and fall, from ancient Tibetan rulers to the British Raj. In 1947, as the Indian subcontinent split into two, Gilgit-Baltistan found itself in a complex tug-of-war over territory, sovereignty, and identity. After a successful revolt against the Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir in 1947, the region declared independence, for 16 days. But that independence was short-lived. Soon after, Gilgit-Baltistan chose to join Pakistan, though the region's status has remained complicated. So, what does it mean to be a free state? For decades, Gilgit-Baltistan was governed directly by Pakistan, without the same representation as other provinces. However, in recent years, the people have been granted more autonomy, with their own assembly and local laws, but nothing significant. But here's where things get tricky. Despite local governance, Gilgit-Baltistan is not officially recognized as a full province of Pakistan, leaving residents without certain political rights that others enjoy. This has led to calls for greater representation, and the question that keeps resurfacing: should Gilgit-Baltistan be granted full provincial status, remain autonomous, or even seek independence? Located at the crossroads of Pakistan, China, and India, Gilgit-Baltistan holds strategic importance on a global scale. And it's this very position that complicates matters. Some see the region as key to Pakistan's influence in South Asia, especially with China's Belt and Road Initiative bringing infrastructure and economic promise. But with geopolitical interest comes tension. India claims Gilgit-Baltistan as part of Jammu and Kashmir, which Pakistan firmly disputes. Amid this tug-of-war, residents often find themselves caught in the middle, with questions of identity and belonging that remain unanswered. What do the people of Gilgit-Baltistan want? Opinions are diverse. Some seek full integration with Pakistan as a recognized province, others prefer autonomy to preserve the unique identity and traditions, and a few voice a desire for complete independence. It's a blend of voices, each with its own story, its own vision for the future. So, is Gilgit-Baltistan a free state? In a way, it exists in a grey area, a region with autonomy but still searching for a more defined identity. It's a place where the question of freedom and belonging is complex, where history, culture, and politics all collide. As the future unfolds, Gilgit-Baltistan stands as a symbol of resilience, beauty, and an enduring quest for identity. What path will it choose, and how will the world respond? The story of Gilgit-Baltistan is still being written, and it's one the world is watching closely. What do you think? Should Gilgit-Baltistan be a free state, a province, or something entirely different? Comment below. Let's start a conversation about the future of this enchanting region. Subscribe for more stories from the world's most fascinating places.